So today I picked a bunch or cut a bunch of my onions from the garden, and it is June 7th today, and these are all my Egyptian walking onions, and I just cut them all off so that I don't have to have them all go to make the little balls on top, the little onion bulbs, because it just gets to be too much. So I've got my little compost pail handy. I've got my some onions on the counter here. I've got some that I've already cut up, and I'm just going to grab some more here to throw in the sink, get these ready to be washed. And basically these will just continue to grow, like literally all summer. So I'm going to have a ton more, but for now I'm just going to be, washing them, cutting them up. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to be dehydrating them. So I've got my Nesco American Harvest food dehydrator here. These ones I'm doing at, I believe it's around 125 degrees, 118 is what I have it set at. And what that does is it is going to keep the enzymes intact. You can see already they're starting to dry. I added more trays to this one, so I think I've got 8 trays here. Yeah, 7. Sorry, 6. Anyway, and then I'm going to be using my other dehydrator as well. So that is my American Harvest one. And this one, again, I've got another big Tupperware bowl full of already chopped onions. And I pretty much cut the majority of my onions today. One thing I wanted to show you, these ones here are more the top of the stems. And what I do is I use these ones, I dry them all, and then I put them in the blender once they're dried, and then I blend them all up, and it makes a really nice powder, like an onion powder for soups and stews and things like that. So I just pick out any, little dry pieces or squiggly things like that might not be as perfect, and I just recompost those. So back over here to my compost pail, dump that in there. But I wanted to show you my powder. This is what it looks like in the end. It's green onion powder, and this is some that I did last year. So I'm just going to open this jar up. So I opened the jar, so I just wanted to show you what a fine powder it actually makes. And I usually will put a teaspoon or a tablespoon or two into my soups and stews. And I use this literally in any spice blend that I use. It takes an awful lot of onions to make a small amount. So if it looks like I have a ton of onions, and or if you get a ton of onions and you don't know what to do with them, definitely try dehydrating them. The other thing I wanted to show you, I almost forgot, these here are kind of the bigger stems of the onions. So I actually just take these and put them in freezer bags and just freeze them. And then when I need onions, they actually work great for casseroles, for stir fries, things like that. And I just take like a cup or two of those and throw them in. So I'll be just freezing these ones and carrying on to finish the rest here today. But I just wanted to do a little video. If you appreciate, gardening, want to know what to do with some of your food or how I process mine, please subscribe to my channel and follow me along. And, give it a like if you like it, and continue watching. So I'm just going to reset this little American Harvest, or sorry, Hamilton Beach dehydrator, and show you how easy it is to actually set it. I'm just going to put the lid on there. It's all ready to go. Has a little temperature gauge here for the temperature, which I'm going to set at, 118, well, about 120, because it won't do 118. Then it has a setting for how many hours. I don't think we're doing 45 hours, so I'm going to set it for probably, I'm going to actually set it for about, oh, that's for minutes, sorry. That's for minutes. Sorry, I got to reset that. So 1 hour and 28 minutes, and that should probably dehydrate, or where I'll be able to start, and then you just press start, and then it's going to start it. Now you can hear the fan going, and then I just rotate the trays every once in a while, and then if it still needs more time, I will set it for a bit longer. But that's basically how you use this little dehydrator. The other one behind me, the Nesco one, is very simple. You basically just plug it into the wall, put the lid on, and then turn this to whatever temperature you want. And you can hear it going as well. So thanks for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day.